A lot of my friends keep asking how we do all of our briskets, and I'm going to show you. So we're going to be smoking up this 12-pound vacuum pack brisket we got from HEB, and yeah, let's get going. So we open up the packer here. So after we open up the pack, we want to take paper towel off some of this extra blood. Don't need any of that on here right now. Now, this brisket we're going to actually be cooking tomorrow, but I'm getting it prepped this evening. So something I like to do ahead of time. So what I'm doing here, first off, I'm going to just trim off some of this excess fat. Just kind of touch up on it here. Okay, I'll flip it over. These extra pieces right here that are hanging loose, they burn. They tend to burn a little bit more easy, so we don't want to have that. So we're just going to kind of clean this up here. So this looks pretty good. We've got about a 1/4 inch most of the way around on the brisket here. I like using these blender bottles from HEB. They're great for mixing and kind of distributing. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to put together 50% pepper. And that's about a 1/2 cup there. And then we're going to do 50% salt. Now the salt, you don't want to use kosher salt. I've made that mistake in the past. So you're just going to use regular iodized salt. Put that up in here. Okay. So after it's done, together here, just go and mix up your mix here. 50% salt and pepper. So the other thing we're going to do is we want to have this yellow mustard, and what that does is the yellow mustard coats the brisket, and then it also helps adhere to the seasoning of the meat. And what I like to do is I like to start with the meat side up. Okay, and then we'll take this. You got a clean hand and a dirty hand, and you just kind of pour this up on the brisket here. You get it in all the little nooks and crannies. Okay. Get it good and lathered up there. This helps build the bark on the meat. So after that, you're going to take your 50% salt and pepper mixture, and we're just going to liberally sprinkle it on here. Okay, that's said and done. You flip it over, and again, dirty hand, clean hand, and you use more of the mustard on the other side. And then we will coat it with the salt and pepper mixture on this side as well. And notice I'm not really, minus what I just did right there, I'm not really rubbing this in. I'm just shaking it over the top and letting it adhere to the mustard. Okay, after it's all covered with the mustard and the salt and pepper mixture, it's time to cover it with cling wrap. So what we're going to do is we'll cover this up and put it in the fridge till tomorrow morning. Alright, I'm going to slide this in here. Just going to let it get all happy in there till tomorrow morning. So, good night.